So on this video today, we are doing the worst job in plumbing, which is blocked urinals. So we are doing these urinals behind us. On the past 3 videos, we've had over 1,000 views, but I've only got 1,000 subscribers. If most of you that aren't subscribed could subscribe, that would be a massive help to the channel. Really gives me confidence to put this content out there and record this stuff. It's not easy, it takes time. In the evenings after I've done my work to edit these videos, up to an hour, 2, 3 hours, depending on the video. So please subscribe, it really helps the channel. And yeah, but let's get into this. Right, on this one today, we are changing these 2 urinal wastes because they are leaking. So first of all, what we're going to do is turn the water off up here. On this isolator to stop the feed to the urinals. So what we're going to do is we're going to change these traps for new ones and change the weights also for new ones as well. Yeah. Let's get gloved up and get on with this, shall we? Yummy! Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's undo this, shall we? Yummy. Undo that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Undo that, undo. Fuck, Jesus. It's done that all that time. Jeez, that's tight. Oh my Jesus Christ alive. That's one truss off. Just got to take that off and clean it up and put a new one on. But yeah, this is yummy. Smells lovely, as you can imagine. Plumbing is so much fun. As you can imagine the smell. If you've never done urinals, then you won't know the smell, but the smell is horrendous. Yummy. Right, I'm going to change gloves and get this out. Right, it's all cleaned up there and under here. So it's got to make a new wasting. Just going to make this wasting. And yeah, silicone that up and put it in. Yummy. Now, why is this one black? Oh, mate. Why is it black? Why is it black? Oh my good lordy, fucking lordy. Why is it black? Yummy. Black. Why is it black? Someone in the comments tell me why this is black. It's really black. Is that because someone's been smoking or coffee or yummy. Black. Oh, it could be the washer. Maybe. I hope it's the washer. Yummy. So what I'm gonna do is, with this systemizer, it detects low pressure when the pressure drops and it opens it. So I'm just gonna increase the flow in here a bit. Just to test it, and then decrease it just before I leave. Just got to test this. So I have to have the taps open to test this out. Just put these out of order signs out because I'm going back to the van. So I just made them make these up so no one uses them. So I'll give them a proper test, and then yeah, we can make sure these are all good. So it should be near to the top now. Cool, I'm happy with that. Just got to clean up the silicone around the top here and around here, and then yeah, we're all done. So we're all leak free. Give it a good clean up, and there you go. And that is probably the worst job in plumbing. If you've liked this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. Leave a comment if you think there's a worse job in plumbing than block urinals. Please subscribe to the channel. There's loads of content on there. And if you're new to plumbing, then there's also loads of how-to plumbing. So just go to the page and go to the how-to plumbing section. There's probably over 30 videos on how to do plumbing. And yeah, just got to give this a good clean up, wipe down, sanitize the area. But for now, that's job done. Hope you all have a good day. Take care.